Hey Joe, this is Mr. Hermanson here. Say I noticed you're having a little trouble with these problems right here on this page. So I'm just going to quickly kind of go over it with you again, and you can try and fix these two here that I circled. All right. So what you're going to do here is you're going to first find the slope, which I think you're doing that right. So on this one, your slope is 5. Then you're going to take the equation that we're going to write, the slope-intercept form like this, and you're going to replace the x and you're going to replace the y and the mx with values so that you can find b. So that's our goal, is to find b. So you could pick either one, and I see here you pick these 2 points, so I'll use those. So I would put 21 right here where the y is. And then right here I need m times x. Well, your m is 5, so I have to do 5 times, and your x here is 18. 5 times 18 plus b. Now we can figure out what b is. We have to do 5 times 18, which is 90. So 21 equals 90 plus b. Then I would just subtract 90 from both sides. 21 minus 90 is negative 69. That subtracting 90 gets rid of that. So I know b is negative 69. So the equation is y equals 5x minus 69. All right? I think you should go ahead and fix these two. Now, I also noticed on the next pages when you did your tickets to retake some mistakes. So I'm going to suggest you go and redo the practices for those. Like here, you didn't even find both of them. Here, you're not doing that right. And in my video, I show you how to do those if you go back and do the practice. Yeah, none of these are right on this page. And then on this page, you did the first one right. The second one, because it says perpendicular, you have the wrong slope here. So you're going to want to review this objective also. You should probably show me the work here, so I make sure you know what you're doing. Both these answers are correct. I'd like to see the work though. So show me that work, and then go back and relearn how to do the other ones you got wrong. And on the last one here, the first one is right. The second one is right. But when you're graphing this, your point that you're going to graph comes from these two. So the point is, and you would have to think of this as a minus, so y minus negative 6 equals, and so the point that you're going to graph is x is 3 and y is negative 6. And that point is right here. And then from there, you're going to do your slope of negative 2. Which put a 1 under that so you have a rise and a run. So that means you're going to go down 2 over 1. That would look like these points. All right? And on the last one here, you got your slope right. But then when you pick a point to put in for your x and y, you would put the x coordinate right here. So that 1 goes right there. And that 3, oh, you have that in the right spot. So, and then the slope, 7 over 4, that goes right there. All right? So anyway, I think you should redo the practice on these objectives. All right, Joe. Good luck on that.